Lesson 16. Business. If you don't want to work for someone else, you can go into business for yourself. You can set up a company, establish a company, in an industry that interests you. Of course, it's always good to do market research, investigate the market, to determine if there's a need for your product or service. It's normal for small businesses to operate at a loss. The business is losing money for the first couple of years before they start to break even. That's when the money coming in equals the money going out. If there's tough competition and your startup isn't able to gain market share, secure a significant number of customers, then your business runs the risk of going bankrupt or going under, losing all its money and having to shut down. But if the amount of money coming into the company from sales is greater than the amount spent on expenses, then you are making a profit. As your business grows, you can hire or take on staff or employees. Another possibility is to make a deal, make an agreement with other companies to do business together. In this case, representatives from both companies will sign a contract, put your name on a contract, that establishes each party's rights and responsibilities. Whenever you're planning to launch a new product, it's essential to provide excellent customer service, help for the customers. Otherwise, your customers will take their business elsewhere. They'll start buying from a rival company, a company that is your competitor, instead of from yours. It's not easy to run a business, manage a business, but with a combination of luck, skill, and hard work, your business just might take off, become popular or successful. One way to describe a period of time of major growth and success is to say that business is booming. Let's practice pronouncing the collocations from this lesson. Go into business. Set up a company. Do market research. Operate at a loss. Break even. Tough competition. Gain market share. Going bankrupt. Going under. Making a profit. Hire employees. Take on staff. Make a deal. Do business. Sign a contract. Launch a new product. Customer service. Take their business elsewhere. A rival company. Run a business. The business might take off. Business is booming. Now try the exercises to test your knowledge of these business collocations.